Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be guiding you through the process on how you can install VLC Media Player on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So start by opening the Play Store, then use the search feature and type in VLC Media Player. You should see it listed in the search results, so you want to tap on it. Ensure that it's made by Video Labs, and then once you've opened the app information page, tap on install and wait for it to be added onto your device. Once the app has been installed, you want to tap on open to launch it. Then you'll be brought to the welcome menu. So tap on next again, and then you'll need to give permission for VLC to access your photos and images. So tap on the toggle like that, and then you can go back. And then from here, you can choose to start customizing it, or you can come and do that later. Tap on next again. You can choose to allow notifications if you want, or you can just leave it like that. And then tap on done to finish the setup. So from here, you'll notice it loading your files and images that you have on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.